Today I'm going to show you how to create FAQ schema markup for your website. And also I'm going to show you two different ways that you can implement this FAQ schema markup onto your WordPress site. This is a big thing going around in the SEO industry right now that's helping a lot of websites and businesses really take up a lot more real estate on the SERPs or search engine results pages. And so a lot of people are just kind of confused about how to do it, and so I figured I would just hop on here and make a quick video showing you how to do this and how to implement it and make you maybe realize that it's a lot easier than a lot of people make it seem. So what we're going to do is you'll need to pull up this website. It's called technicalseo.com, and I will put this link in the description below. And this is a free tool that was created by Merkle. And this is a schema markup generator that takes away all of the hassle of handwriting this in a program like VS Code or in a text editor. So all you do here is you just copy and paste your FAQs, and then it will automatically generate that JSON script over here. So we're going to copy and paste a few example FAQs that I have found generously from a different website. Disclaimer, I'm going to delete these off of here right after this video, so no one comes and hunts me down for copyright issues or plagiarism. I'm just using this for the example. And so simply all you do is copy and paste question and answer, and when you do that you just hit add question after you've done it, and it generates that script for you. It's super helpful, and that's really all we're going to do for this part. And as you can see, it takes away all this extra work that you would typically have to handwrite. And then from here, all you do is you click copy, and it copies it to your clipboard. But before you paste it on your page, you can also test it, which is really helpful because you want to make sure that this is going to work in the rich results. So you'll test this code, and you will quickly see that the page is eligible, and you can even preview it to see what it will look like, which you know is pretty neat, but it's whatever. So we're going to copy this and head back over to the website. Here's a dummy page that I've created for an FAQ page. So now I'm going to show you two different ways that you can implement this on your page. And the reason I'm going to show you this is because some people are using page builders such as Visual Composer and Elementor, and then other people have custom dev WordPress sites. So I'm going to show you how you can do this for both, just in case you're not using the page builder. So if you're using a page builder such as Visual Composer, you would come down and add a row or a block, and there's a widget. As everyone knows, it is the raw JavaScript, and you can even use the text block or the raw HTML block. Honestly, I just use this because it's a JS code, so you'll save that, and there it is, right here on the back end. And it doesn't show on the front end, it just shows on the back end. So now it will be running on the back end of here, so whenever the whenever your website is indexed, it will be able to be found. And then the other way to do this, if you have a custom dev website, is so typically if you have a custom dev website, you don't have all these fancy cluttery page blocks. You just have this with the box, or you have some custom fields down here. So what you would do is you would switch it to text, and then you just paste it here. And just like the other way, it shows this little icon just so you know that there's something there, but on the front end nothing shows. It'll just be as if nothing was there. So what we're going to do real quick is test this. I want to make sure that what I've implemented is working. So I'm going to copy this URL. I come back to this test, And instead of doing the code, I'm going to run a URL. And this typically takes a few seconds with the URL. So while we're doing that, I'm going to come over here and just show you all some of the different ways you can use this Merkle tool. This is not a promo or an advertisement for them. This is just simply a how-to. So if you have a client that does recipes on their blog, you can do the recipes here, and it takes, like you can see, it takes a lot of that manual labor out of creating the markup. There's the job postings if you are helping with a company doing job listings, how-tos, but they also have several other tools like the SERP simulator, which is kind of cool. It just kind of shows you what it's going to look like on the SERP and gives you the length, and just little tools like this that kind of help you. So now that this is done running, you can see the page is eligible for rich results, so we're good to go. There's literally nothing else you have to do now. Like I said, you just drop that script back here on the back end of the page, you update the page, and you're on your way. If you liked this video, please feel free to subscribe or like the video. Feel free to share it with a friend who might be wondering about the schema markup for FAQ. And if you have any requests for video tutorials for SEO, or any blogs for SEO that you might want me to cover, just shoot me a message or put it down in the comments, and I'll add that to my list of stuff to make. So thanks for watching, and until next time, you guys be good.